Awusuafo ne ahwefo emu bi akobade ba Unidek TV so send the day kan obodi answer betumi emi subscribe button no so no subscribe na for like na wetumi a share no wija comment was ne betumi.
You know, it's your boy Captain to the Planet. I'm here to talk to you about Unidek TV. Please subscribe to Unidek TV. Subscribe.
NDC lawyer in the person of Edugitamakulu the response be Abba. Now, for people who don't know what's going on, I'm going to read and then we sort of understand and get what's going on. Now, yenim kwabena Boahene and I mean say or yoko cells over Sikapudua ya lege say we are doing MPP4 Emre in governance. Na ene ne confidential letter bi eliki wo tremu se ensem bia ekoso na yese wono ewie sika na we wiade no oso wono de wo wiahwe na sika obobodi no otremu a odi sika ni bi eto cars ema his excellency John Dramani Mahama edi sika ni bi ema allowance Emma MPs any nyama into ono de onwie sika bia. I mean basically no ensem a work and me who say a lot of you are reacting to that. Now NDC lawyer Edugitamakulu edin nsem bia ba betudwa waba be release document bi yen read the Edugitamakulu nsem a work na yen read we will go and then we will look through the document na what the aba betudwa no and then we understand what he's saying. Now this is what Edugitamakulu etudwa meba or say, I just read this statement by my learned senior Samuel Atachia, and I'm here laughing. If you look at the particulars of the offenses, you would notice that the offenses happened in January and March 2020. Inti Ose Oshe statement Atachia, because Atachia is the lawyer for Kwabne Boahene ati ase nti social statement Atachia edi ababe to jana nesre because ohe allegations branch e woma ene mi di we to we ma we ene mi ye we ma we na social statement na okay. Before that yen konko read Atachia statement and we read Atachia statement then we come to it and ebe ma obi ati ase. Let's read Atachia statement. Atachia statement is this is Atachia statement, right? The statement no any I say the arraignment of Kwabena Boahene in the criminal courts and the national security implications. I say we act as lawyers for Kwabena Boahene. As you are no doubt aware, the Attorney General has arraigned our client, a former Director General of the National Signals Bureau, on various criminal charges. Please find attached the widely circulated charge sheet and the facts as narrated by the Honorable Attorney General, Dr. Dominic Atinguri MP. Atinguri Ayini, MP, on the 30th day of April 2025, or through the command of national security. I say our client has instructed us that a cursory look at the case from the documents you inherited underscore the fact that the pith of the Honorable Attorney General's case are matters bordering on national security. Besides, the intended prosecution violates the Security and Intelligence Agency Act 2020 and the National Signals Bureau Act 2020. We attach a memorandum under the hand of our client, who is at the moment incarcerated at Economic and Organized Crime Unit cells. May we count on your usual sense of professionalism in your evaluation and the proffering of critical understanding of the matters therein contained. Yours faithfully. Intino Atachia ena ode a letter no eba. So this was the letter the lawyer Atachia Troye ede Kwabena Boahene no ni allegations I will make here no e kan ho aye de command national security and the letter no APA. Nti enu mu na Edugitamakulu eba be respond. So at this point you understand the response at Edugitamakulu whatever. So he's responding to Sika me be trewo in the next in the very first video of Kwabena Boahene. What say me disika we kwa ha me di we kwa ha me di we kwa ha no nti Edugitamakulu na response ni. So now you understand the response. Now let's go to the response. I say I just read this statement by my Nelled senior, Samuel Atachia, and I'm here laughing. I'm here laughing. If you look at the particulars of the offenses, you would notice that the offenses happened in January and March 2020. Inti Edugitamaklo say, Ohu Kwabne Duboahene, Ninsemu Awoka no, ono Edugitamaklo asre. Because so here, in some way, ye debo Kwabne Duboahene na, ensembia esi ye within January and March 2020. Mind you, Kwabne Duboahene Samu Awatraba na say no, or the Anansisia na Warbo, Mahama Din and the like, no. Or the date eka ho. Edugitamaklo tremwa, Bonia Udi ye no, evidence ayenye krano udi bonino January and March 2020. As you kindly look at the Security and Intelligence Act 2020, it was assented to in October 2020. Clearly at the time the accused person entered the contract with the Israeli company, this act was not in existence. Inti Ushe Kwabne Duboahene ninsem ni bia wo tremwa allowance awadema MPs ni nyamana, it was from Embrebia MPs no babe passe ye. Ena Edugitamaklo trese. Sambra na ye passe ye ewo parliament no, ye passe no October 2020. Boni a udi ye nso no, sika ni nyama ye se uyusu ye no, udi no in around January, March 2020. Inti ende, BBS in October, na obeka se, eno na udi sika no koko ye ya. Clearly no, edien na o tre yen. Because records of wa ye trese sikano udi boneno in January. Adien nso si in October. And I also say October adien na si ye no sikana wi ye no eno na odi kokutiaka. Eno no den apese. I hope you understand what's going on. It was say, so how are we relying on this act for your proud conduct? As lawyers, we have ethical responsibility to advise our clients well. You don't make life difficult for the clients. Criminal defense is a special skill. The case of the prosecution is simple, that you were the director of state agency responsible for the soft side of national security. That in January 2020, you entered into a contract with an Israeli company to supply and install security equipment. That contemporaneous with this, you incorporated a company similar to the state agency but private. You diverted public funds directly into this private company. The basis of the prosecution case of stealing is because you moved the funds directly into your private company, appropriation. That the appropriation was done dishonestly. If you don't understand the charges, how can you defend yourself? Instead of Edugitamaklo nsemu a can say, Attorney General case a will raise it here Duboahene no. It's very simple. Asemu a can say, wo any Israeli company ye deal in January 2020. Uye deal no, and I could say company fofro in the name of the Israeli company. Sika nanke wasa de kokomo no, o divert sika no kokoto company no. Wasa said they need to say ye Israel for company no. O de koto company no ni account mu. Inti ye de sa subo we ene ye bo se wabokro no. Inti ende wo ba na ba be release we ene mekra no midisika sei ene me de talk ma Mahama ene mekra midisika sei ene me de ma MPs ene na tresa wo kra charges na ye de abon no wonti ase charge ye de abon ne say uni Israel company akwa sign deal wakwa create company in the name of that sika na wasa wo send ma Israel company no ko divert sika no ko to company di eno ne ye kan esi in January na wo be ka train say watoka the year campaign and the year campaign ama Mahama in 2024 ade a esi 2020 we see 2024 na na that say we should dey we sika ne to sell the best ade we nti e ba be chewa na de aya asem kan na said yen ene de enfo obi an. And to see if you don't understand the charges, how can you defend yourself? Alleged payment to MPs after the fact of the appropriation cannot negative the dishonest associated with the appropriations. Into asama wakano no. Say later in October, osi waba bema MPs sika. Adie na yesi eye bone na yede bo no esi in January. It is later oba be service sika ni bi now de bema MPs bi in October now de be ya asem kan. And interest bone a udi in January no, se be enye bone bium. Se sika ne sebe, odi koye eye donation ewa na me sure say na oprichi wa sorry. Me sure say sika ne kra na bi odi koye donation ni bi wa sorry. it is a sika no de koye donation wo wa sorry kra na and interest e boni na wudi ye no we wie sika sebe allegedly we wie sika January na in December u de sika na kwa kosi e bia sorry dan ama wo wa sorry ye kokan ya o se ya sika na me wi na me de besi sorry dan no internet interest e boni na wudi ye no enye boni ana itiano na ejitita maklo woka inti sa wudi sika ni bi ekokoma MPs in October na yesi we wi sika ni January a ene de mfo obi ahu ene de betumi aye afterthought say wote ho a wo say sika we a mawie yi me nko cheche sika no because de achi bi asemba e bia na ye me nko anti me nko cheche e ba na me de anya asemka a che say ya afterthought ene nche say won wi sika we wi a charger ye de ball no nso ene say we wi sika ene na ye de court wo ho. To say the alleged payment in 2024 election, almost 4 years after the fact, is an afterthought. At this rate, your lawyer should be advising you on how to do less than 25 years. So say it after 4 years, so say what about donate sikani build their talker Mahama. And then what's in us in our junior who they say assemble banting, mean share down code donating. I mean, because we were all in this country and we saw His Excellency John Dramani Mahama open up an account. Say wow person wow believe in or know His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ne presidency bia o person donate bia no obetumi asend sika eden akwa account ni mu tie bia wakwa donate wa watena se ehunu se me wie sika 4 years ago enti me nhye dan ko donate ma we na obi a MPP time unye sika sei na o say well ya is a donation we ama His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and the donation na wa ya ma MPP na enye donation ketwa but one say in the letter now what they babontin and then they one fan can and that should tell you what is actually going on. And so basically we wait but nini name no Eduji Tamaklo asset the record straight montre mo your comment box ni mo medase
abusuafo ne ahwefo emu bia kwabade ba Unidek TV so send the day adi kan obedi answer betumi emi subscribe button no so no subscribe na for like na wetumi a share no gya comment was ne betumi.
It's your boy Captain to the Planet. I'm here to talk to you about Unidek TV. Please subscribe to Unidek TV. Subscribe.